Welcome to your introduction to Google Ads. This video will give you a comprehensive overview of how to leverage this powerful advertising platform. Google Ads is a crucial tool in the digital marketing landscape, and understanding its fundamentals is essential for business growth. Google Ads is Google's online advertising platform, allowing businesses to create ads that appear on Google's search engine and other platforms. It works on a pay-per-click model. The benefits of Google Ads include reaching a massive audience, precise targeting, measurable results, and controlling your budget effectively. Let's break down the essential components that make up a Google Ads account. Your Google Ads account is structured around campaigns, which contain ad groups, and those ad groups are driven by specific keywords that trigger your ads. Google Ads offers various formats. Search ads appear on Google results, display ads on websites, video ads on YouTube, and shopping ads for e-commerce products. Ready to launch your first Google Ads campaign? Let's go through the initial steps. Start by defining who you want to reach, what you want to achieve, your goals, and setting a realistic budget for your daily spend. Organize your ad groups logically based on themes, select highly relevant keywords, and choose the correct match types to control who sees your ads. The ad itself is what captures attention. Make sure yours stands out and converts. Write compelling ad copy with strong headlines that highlight benefits and include a clear, urgent call to action to encourage immediate clicks. Your quality score, determined by ad relevance and landing page experience, is crucial. Ensure your landing page aligns perfectly with your ad to boost your score and lower costs. Google Ads is a continuous process. You must track performance and optimize constantly to succeed. Track key metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition to understand how well your campaigns are performing against your goals. Optimize your campaigns by testing new ad copy, refining your keyword list, adjusting bids, and experimenting with different targeting options. You now have a solid understanding of Google Ads fundamentals and how to get started. Remember, Google Ads is about combining structure, creativity in ads, and continuous data analysis to achieve your business objectives. Your next steps are to set up your Google Ads account, apply these strategies, and start running your first high-performing campaign.